Good morning, welcome to my channel. This is a journal I just completed. I just haven't decided on the closure. It's a denim and lace journal. One signature. It's journaling cards at the front. I was going to put something else, but I decided I actually like this better. I don't know. I just really like the pocket the way it is. Instead of having a picture in the front, I just like the fact that there's a pocket. Hang on a minute. Where's it going? There. So it's denim and lace, and it's got the vintage lace at the. It just turned out really nice, and I love it. You know, it's just full of lace and goodness. It's a journal that you would want to treasure, I guess, and not really do too much writing in it. But then again, you can decorate it still because it's got plenty of room to actually do that. Anyone interested in the kit, let me know. Because I'm sharing it to a private group, I don't want to list it. So I'll redo the video for another group, but this one, it's got a little flippy tag. It's from the pocket. A couple of things tucked in there. The Levi symbol at the waist. It's a really cute cat, and it's by Sherry. There's some bits of the tags and stuff there. I didn't do too much with them. I thought, you know, this warranted, with most of my journals, I leave room for growth. That's really important to me that I actually do that. I used some prints from my friend Laurie. She was good enough to give them to me. I'm forever grateful. But I really love how it turned out. There's some fringing. It's very, I don't know, it's different for me. Got a clip there, and I just put some ephemera. There's an envelope and a little booklet you can write in. It's just cute. That's my words for it. That clip holds it in. A vintage tag that I made with quite a few layers. Another lacy tag. I love making these lacy tags. I did it in quite several journals now, and I just like them because you can still write on the back of them. But I just like the vintage look of them. So this pocket there, and then behind there, there's just some ephemera from the kit I used. Like I said, this leaves the buyer room for growth, for doing things herself as well. I love the colours. I love doing anything to do with denim. I rusted papers. I actually put a tutorial up. It's still loading. It takes hours to load up here. I love the lace trimming. Oops, what happened here? What happened? I love the denim feel it has to it. So I left a few pages, like I said, randomly throughout the journal, just for the buyer to do what she liked with. There's some ephemera there, just a letter. I'll actually take it a little bit further and put it in there. And then I call this the Cheryl Hall pocket because she gave me the idea. And I did this myself though, but she gave me the idea of to lift up your page and make it into a pocket. There's some journaling cards. I just think the colours, I love the denim look. I love the blues. I printed on what we call here parchment. It's normally what you print on invitations. I just felt for me it was just good stuff to print on. It makes the journal, it pops out the colours, and which is what I wanted to do. I did one of my little open up envelopes. I like doing them that way because then I can make them into a bookmark. We all got our ways of junking, so that's my way of doing things. There's a hidey spot in there. I got her off Pinterest. And another tuck spot there. I just love the look of this, the colours. And then what you do here is you flip that out. When you make these up, you've got to be very gentle and do them when you first tea dye them, and that's what I did to this one. And I like the way it come out, and it's a great tuck spot. That just gives it a bit of strength. I didn't really want to put anything on it. All these journaling cards come with the tag. I mean, with the, with the digitals. Sorry. Oh, dear. Again, some more rustic pages that I love. Another journaling card. Like I said, I just love the feel of these sort of tags. This is a flip out. Again, using the journal page. I like doing this because you've made yourself a tuck out and more writing space. Now that, if you really wanted to, you could add this to the center of your journal if you had squared it off correctly, and then you would have that look. And it's another way I like doing my journals. But in this instance, I wanted to do this that way. I just think it looks cool. And it stays very flat. I actually ironed it down once I got the creases correctly. The pages are really cool. Like I said, I left room there for the journaler to do what she liked. The journaling card, this is from one of other Sherry's kits. I don't know which one. Could be one of the shabby chic ones. I don't know. I can't remember. Or the prayer journal. I can't remember. Again, I used this lady, and I like the colours. I just thought it went with the kit. Again, it's one of Laurie's Dennison's prints that she does. Again, I made one of those flip up pockets. I really like it because I got a little taggy. Again, some journaling cards from the kit, which is so gorgeous. Again, I printed on that parchment. It's a beautiful paper to actually print on. And then I just done layers using the kit itself, which it's really nice. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous kit. I love that page, but like I said, I did nothing to it because I just really felt it warranted whoever bought this to do it. Then I done a little flip out. Excuse my dog. It's being painful. So you can do it that way, or you can do it that way. Hang on, puppy. He's being painful. And that's also made into a tuck. I'll leave that like that and we can go to the next page. A little side pocket, some journaling cards. These are from the kit. Like I said, I've left the buyer room for growth. Again, printed on parchment. Parchment here is very expensive, but I so enjoyed how it gives it that nice look. And there's another journaling postcard from Laurie, which I really like, with some textiles, and that's the back of the cover. I don't know if oh, yeah, that's the centre. I'm thinking, I wonder if I went through the centre. Oh, I just thought I missed a page. But, so that's the journal. It's alligator mouthed. It's got a lot of stuff in it, but this is how I like doing them. I like them full and chunky, but I also like to create a little bit of space for the journaler to do her own thing. So I hope you like this. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.